Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So today I came to explain about that IPE board exams for Telangana AP. Yes, for that Maths 1A paper, I am going to explain the weightage of the Maths 1A paper. Okay, let us see. So first of all, from that Maths 1A we have the functions topic, mathematical induction, matrices, addition of vectors, product of vectors. These 5 topics from the algebra, and the remaining part is the completely trigonometry part. Trigonometric ratios up to the transformations, trigonometric equations, inverse trigonometry, hyperbolic functions, and properties of triangles. These are all the topics from the Maths 1A. Okay, yes, and for 1A, Maths 1A, it will be 75 marks. IPE will be the 75 marks. So, of those, section A completely 2 marks questions, section B 4 marks questions, and section C 7 marks questions. Okay, yes, from section A 2 marks questions, we are going to get the 10 questions. Okay, yes, so from which topic we are going to get the 2 marks questions? Let us see. Okay, I will explain topic wise. Okay, from the functions, you are going to get that 2 marks questions, right? 2 marks question. There is no 4 marks question, there is one 7 marks question, right? So totally what is the weightage of that one? 2 marks question, 4 plus 7, which is 11 marks from the functions. Okay, so coming to the mathematical induction topic, so there is no 2 marks question, there is no 4 marks question, one 7 marks question, right? So its weightage is 7 marks. Yeah, so coming to the matrices, yes, so from the 1A, very important topic. Okay, yes, let us see from this one, 2 marks questions, one 4 marks question, and 2 7 marks questions, right? Yeah, so totally 2 2s are 4 plus 4 8, and plus 14 22 marks, 22 marks. So what is the weightage of the matrices topic is the 22 marks. Actually 1A totally it is for 75 marks. Of those 75 marks, 22 marks is only from the matrices. It will be very easy topic and very important topic, and from that one 22 marks we are going to get. Okay, yes, and from the addition of vectors, we are going to get that 2 marks questions and one 4 marks question. It is 4 plus 4 8 marks. Yes, and from the product of vectors, one 2 marks question, one 4 marks question, okay, and one 7 marks question, right? So here it is the 2 plus 4 6 plus 7 13 marks from the product of vectors. Yes, that is about that algebra part. Completely you can say this part is the algebra part. Okay, particularly these 2 are vector algebra part. Yes, and the remaining part is the trigonometry part. Okay, yes, so for the first topic is the trigonometric ratios up to the transformations. Okay, transformations is the one of the topic from that trigonometric ratios, of course. So from this one we are going to get that 2 marks questions, right? 2 marks questions and one 4 marks question and one 7 marks question, right? That one 7 marks question is the completely from the transformations. Okay, it is 4 plus 4 8 plus 7. Okay, so it is 15 marks from the trigonometric ratios. Yes, so from the trigonometric equations there is no 2 marks, one 4 marks question, no 7 marks question. It is for 4 marks. Okay, so these are the total marks. Yes, and from that same like this inverse trigonometry also, no 2 marks, one 4 marks question, one 7 marks question. Okay, no 7 marks question, sorry. So 4 marks. Yes, and hyperbolic function, very small topic. It is the only one 2 marks question, no 4 marks, no 7 marks, just it is 2 marks. Okay, yes. And coming to that, from the trigonometry, one of the very important topic, properties of triangles, right? So from this one there is no 2 marks question, one 4 marks question, one 7 marks question. 7 plus 4, 11 marks. Okay, yes. This is about the weightage of that our maths 1A topic. Okay, so from that totally topics. Okay, next, come on, first have a look. Afterwards, I will explain that clearly the question paper model. Okay, from section A, section B, and section C. Okay, total blueprint. I will give that a total idea. So in the meanwhile, come on, have a look. Yeah, okay, students. So coming to that question paper model, so we have 10 questions from the section A. Okay, 10 questions from the section A. So from this one, there is no choice. Total 10 questions you should write, each carries 2 marks, 10 to 20. Okay, yes, and from the first question and the second question, you are going to get from the functions, right? First question and the second question is the from the functions, and particularly from the functions. Okay, they may ask that about that types of the functions. Okay, they may ask that about the definitions and the composite function, right? And giving that one function, check that whether it is the one function or not. Like this we may get the chances for the first question. And the second question from the function is the find the domain and range of the function. Domain and range of the function, one of the very important topic from the functions. Okay, of course it is very important in the objective point of view also. Domain and range of the different functions. It may be logarithmic function, exponential function, rational function, irrational functions, like these combinations are there. Very important topic. Yes, and coming to that, problem number 3 and problem number 4. So it is from that matrices. 2 questions are there from the matrices. Okay, and of those, one question is from that algebra of the matrices, and they may ask that directly definitions. What is that symmetric matrix definition, skew symmetric matrix definition, and they may ask that based on the problems. Okay, yes, like this one got one question, and one more question is the, and it may be about the adjoint matrix, inverse matrix. Okay, and the rank of a matrix, like this we will get that 2 questions from the matrices. Okay, and coming to that from 5 and 6, problem number 5 and 6, addition of vectors. Yes, from that also addition of vectors, the basic things for the vectors. 2 vectors are collinear. What are the conditions? 2 vectors are coplanar. What is the vector equation of a line passing through 2 points? Vector equation of a line passing through a point parallel to the another vector. Okay, so we will get that 2 questions from the addition of vectors. Okay, and the 7th question is, okay, so here 5 and 6, the 7th question is from that the product of vectors. Okay, product of vectors, the product of vectors, it may be the question from the dot product or from the triple product. Okay, vector cross product, like this we may get that the basic questions. Okay, and here 8th question is trigonometric ratios. From the 9th question also trigonometric ratios. Yes, trigonometric ratios, so basic questions we may get that questions, trigonometric ratios. And the 10th question is completely hyperbolic functions. Okay, so this is about the blueprint of the maths 1A from the section A. Okay, right? So coming to that section B. Section B, actually they are going to give that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions. Of those 7 questions, you are going to write that only 5 questions. 5 4s 20, selecting the 5 questions which carries 4 marks, 20 marks. Okay, yes, and from that section B also. So 11th question is from that matrices. Okay, yes, so here is a chance to get that from the matrices is the one question from the determinants. Okay, yes, or one question from the inverse of a matrix, adjoint matrix. Okay, they may give ask that chance is there. Okay, yes, from this one determinants. Okay, or adjoint matrix and inverse matrix. Okay, yes, and this question is from that addition of vectors. Okay, and 13th question is from that product of vectors. Okay, next question is from the trigonometric ratios. Okay, and here is the trigonometric equations, and 16th question is from that inverse trigonometry, and this question is the properties of triangles. Okay, so that is about that section B. Okay, yes, once observe this one from the section B, trigonometry, from the trigonometry, 4 questions. One question from the trigonometric equation, one question from the inverse trigonometry and properties of triangles and the trigonometric ratios. Okay, and one question from the addition of vectors, one question from the product of vectors, and from the matrices is one question. Okay, yes, this is about that from section B, right? Yeah, from the section B, that is the major part is the trigonometry only. So we should focus on that trigonometry. So for completing that section B. Okay, students, come on, have a look, and we will discuss about that section C also, 7 marks questions. Okay, yes, yeah. So coming to the section C, so here from section C also we are going to get that 7 questions. From those 7 questions we are going to selecting the 5 questions, each carries 7 marks, 5 sevens 35 marks. Okay, yes. So from that section C, 18th question is the from that functions topic. Okay, so particularly theorems. Yes, we have some theorems from the functions based on that 1 function, onto function, bijection, based on that identity function, inverse function. We have some theorems are there, standard theorems. Okay, so compulsory we will get that one question from the functions. Okay, that will be 18th question, and 19th question is so mathematical induction questions are there. Some mathematical proofs we are going to prove that by using that induction process. Okay, that will be the compulsory question, which is 19th one. Okay, and from 20 and 21 matrices, from 20 and 21 is the from the matrices. Yes, and of those 2 questions, one question from the determinants. So one question is the from the determinants, and one question is the solving the linear equations by using that any one of the methods. Okay, so of course here 20th question is the most probably we may get that determinants. Okay, yes, from this one solve that linear equations, solving the linear equations. Okay, the 3 variables linear equations. So by using the Cramer's method. Okay, yes, inverse method. Okay, and Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, in these methods they may ask that one method, solving the linear equations. Okay, and one more thing is that they may ask that like this also, consistent system, inconsistent system, based on the rank of a matrix. Okay, yes, like this we will get the questions. Okay, and from this one here is the product of vectors. From that product of vectors, triple product, triple cross product is there, we may get the questions. And one of the thing is the from the product of vectors, so distance between the skew lines. So one of the important thing from that, volume of the parallelepiped, okay, volume of the tetrahedron, and from the triple product some properties are there, we are going to prove this one. Okay, they may ask that 22. Okay, and here is the from the trigonometry, one of the important topic is the transformations. Yes, transformations, that is about the 23rd question. So and the 24th question is the from the properties of triangles. Okay, students, that is about that section C. Okay, so I think you got that a clear idea about that maths 1A. So what are the topics from the maths A, what is that weightage of the each topic from the maths A, and the model paper, what are the questions from that section A and section B and section C. Okay, so I think you got that very clear picture totally from the maths 1A. Okay, net. So please go through that, you will get that compulsory, you will get that to full marks, 75 out of 75. Okay, and please same ideas you will share to the your friends and your juniors, they may also get that the idea about the subjects. Okay, yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel to get all my videos, and don't forget that to click that bell icon Okay, yes, to get all my notifications. Okay, so be ready for the next interesting upcoming video. Until then, bye bye.